Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Matt with Green Bar Trading. It is Saturday. We just got home from vacation, which was a great time. It's good to unwind, recharge the batteries. And, this was a great, really good vacation. But while I was on vacation and thinking about, the market and all the beginner traders that follow the channel, I thought it was really important, and this could be one of the most important videos that you watch. If you are a beginner trader, even if you're not, but you're struggling to get consistently profitable, this video really may help you out. Now, the most important thing, the key, the absolute key to being consistently profitable will all start with a creation of rules, a set of rules that you make and follow. The key is to follow these rules that you make. And, as you're trading for, a couple of months or even years, you start to figure out what works for you and what doesn't work for you. So, I'm going to go over my rules that I set for myself that makes me consistently profitable. And it's going to start out with, the first couple rules are more of a uniform set of rules that probably most people will have. And then the last couple are more personalized for me and for my trading, for what I have figured out works for me. Most importantly, you're going to have to figure out for yourselves what works for you guys. But I think the whole point is once you create this set of rules, you have to live by them, follow them. And if you do, you will be consistently taking money out of the stock market. So here we go with rule number one, my max loss. So everybody should have a max loss. Now, what that means is if you're having a bad day, stop when you get to your max loss, which means no trades taken after hitting that max loss. Everybody's max loss is going to be different. It's going to be, for your risk tolerance, everybody's trading a different way. For me, this is a part-time trading, so my max loss is going to be pretty small. I don't take as much risk as if I was trading full-time, where I needed to make a full-time income. So everybody's max loss is going to be different, but I do believe that everyone should have this as a part of their rules. It's rule number one for me. Now, going to rule number two, I believe that this should be also on most people's rules. And it's always set a stop loss. What does that mean? Well, when you get into a trade, you need to know where you're going to take a loss if the trade doesn't go your way. Now, most, professional good day traders will be right 6, 7 times out of 10, which means that 3 times out of 10 that they're wrong, they're going to want to take a stop on. Then you don't want to just let a wrong trade just continue to go all the way down and just lose a whole bunch of money. You want to set a stop loss. So a price that you're going to sell or buy if you're shorting, that's going to actually lose you money. You don't want to get into holding the bag, which means a trade doesn't go your way, you hold it overnight, and then you just hope at some point, magically, it's going to come back up to your entrance price. That is the worst thing you can do. So always set a stop loss, so you know exactly what you're going to lose or willing to lose for each trade. Okay, now rule number 3. Now this is more personalized for me. No trading for me in the afternoon. I have found that trading in the afternoon does not work for me. It doesn't work for my strategy. I'm more profitable in the pre-market and for the first like half an hour of the trading day. Anything after that, I could get lucky every once in a while, but consistently, I am more profitable in the morning hours. Now, like I said, as you make your rules, you're going to want to make them more personalized for your trading, what you have seen for yourself. Now, rule number 4. Now, this is my last rule, and it's for me to focus on one strategy. I've noticed that I could start trading a whole bunch of different things instead of focusing on my best edge. What that means is your edge in the stock market is what gives you a leg up on the competition. It is what has made you money on a consistent basis. It is what you do best, and that is your edge. So focusing on that one edge and getting really, really good at it, and then following rules behind it, well, you do that and you're well on your way. So that's it. It was a quick video, but I do think that more people need to hear this type of video. It can't just always be, puppy dogs and ice cream. I made $75,000 today. You need to teach, and being a beginner, you need to learn. There's a learning curve. This takes a long time. So don't get discouraged. If you're not consistently profitable, stick with it. Just manage your risk and follow rules. So that's also what I say every morning in our Discord. And, I highly recommend going in and joining our Discord. It's 100% free. It's growing every day. And it's such a great place to trade alongside other traders that are just like us. Everybody's got a goal of making money in the stock market, and everybody has different strategies. So you can actually learn a thing or two from traders that are in there. But one thing I start off every morning is the quote: let's manage our risk and follow our rules. If you do that, you can't possibly have a bad day. It's so key to make your rules and follow them. The more time that you trade, you will make mistakes less. So everybody breaks rules. I get that. But as a beginner, you may break rules all the time. As you start trading, more and more weeks go by, more and more months go by, you start to notice one thing: you're not breaking your rules as often. All of a sudden now, wow, I'm making money. This is all part of the learning curve. I'm just trying to shorten that learning curve for beginner traders. And even if you've been doing it a while and you're having a tough time, this is very hard to do. I would say 5% are successfully doing this on a consistent basis. And that's just going on, studies that I've seen and read. I don't really know how they calculate all that, but I believe it. So anyway, I hope that you guys really enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. And maybe share the video with a friend that is, learning also. It may help everyone out. So that's it. Hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, everyone.